The ruminant digestive system is very unique as it has 4 compartments in its stomach: the reticulum, rumen, omasum, and abomasum. This kind of digestive system is designed for animals such as cattle and sheep that eat high fiber feeds. These animals are also known as cud chewers, as they regurgitate food consumed earlier, known as bosses, chew it, and then reswallow. In addition to having a unique stomach, the mouth of the ruminant is also very different. In ruminants, there are no upper front teeth, but instead a dental pad and lower incisors tear the feed, while the molars chew the food, but only one side at a time. Their saliva provides phosphorus and sodium for rumen microorganisms, and urea that provides nitrogen for the bacteria. After it has been properly chewed, the food makes its way to the esophagus, which leads to the reticulum and the rumen. However, in young animals, a heavily muscular fold permits milk to go directly to the omasum. First, the reticulum is made of membranes which secrete mucus that catches indigestible objects such as stones or nails that an animal may have eaten while grazing. This membrane also forms subcompartments and gives the reticulum the appearance of a honeycomb. In addition, the reticulum moves food to the esophagus. Then the roughages continue to break down as with the reticulum and esophagus muscles. After excess fluid is removed, the cud is reswallowed. When the material is reswallowed, it moves to the rumen, where the food is soaked, mixed, and fermented by bacteria. The rumen is a hollow muscular pouch on the left side of the abdomen and consists of 2 sacs lined with nipple-like productions called papillae, which absorbs nutrients. In the rumen, carbohydrates are broken down by bacteria and release fatty acids that provide the body with energy. Furthermore, belching and bloating occurs in the rumen. Belching is caused by the byproduct gases, and if these gases are not removed, the animal will bloat. Next, the material moves to the omasum, which is on the right side of the abdomen, and grinds the roughage using muscular papillae. Finally, the roughage moves to the true stomach, or abomasum, which acts much like a regular stomach, as it continues to break down the roughage using hydrochloric acid. Then the material reaches the small intestine, which is divided into 3 parts: the duodenum, which breaks up starches, proteins, and fats, and the jejunum and ileum, which use villi to absorb nutrients. The small intestine's semi-permeable membrane allows for nutrients to be absorbed and for particles to pass through, which is also known as diffusion. Finally, the remaining material makes its way to the large intestine. It reaches the cecum, which is more active in ruminants and monogastrics. The cecum breaks down forage and fibrous foods. Then the food moves to the colon, which stores and removes water. Finally, the waste moves to the rectum and then to the anus, where the waste is finally defecated.